You two are silly. Mm-hmm. Was it role reversal? You silly. You do. You do. What's you doing, Benny? Getting another toy? Hmm? Oh, put a tennis ball in the bed, huh? Yeah. you got a tennis ball in there, huh? Yeah. You goof. You goof. You goof. Where'd the body go? Where'd the body go? Can you find it? Can you find it? It's in the bed, Benny. You lift it up. Try to find it. Where's the body? Where's the body? You're getting warmer. Getting warmer. There you go. That's where the ball's in. All right. Well, you still didn't find it? It's underneath there. Just look. Just look. No, that's not it. Or do you have it? Okay. Come here, you silly child. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Let me see. Oh, let me see. Where'd the ball go? You're falling out of bed, child. Okay, let me see. Feeling for it? Okay. I think you're laying on top of it, child. I think you're laying on top of it, child. Get your nose in there. Don't take the dog bed apart again.